dirty,
old-fashioned,
assembly line, foreign factories,
pollution.
Today we are here at Electric Materials, a manufacturing plant in our backyard, to realize what's really cool about manufacturing.
Our company has been in business for over 100 years.
Our first purchase order was in 1915, was trolley wheels.
Some of our products can be found in transportation, as far as high-speed trains, locomotives, and also in power generation, as far as generators to produce electricity.
But every now and then they throw something at you that you haven't done before, and it makes it cool, you know. Family.
Everything's getting more technical, more advanced.
Just constantly moving forward.
It's always a different project.
It was a growing company.
My philosophy is very open door. I believe communication and safety are the two most important things you can do on a daily basis anywhere.
Work together with people to accomplish something, you know, that is tangible.
Our business reflects basically all the people that work here in our community.
As global competitiveness has challenged all of us in manufacturing, we have grown in automating what we can on the floor, getting better efficiencies, enhancing anything we do.
The beauty of the company is we're going to find a way because we know that everybody's out there to take our lunch money.
But there's always a better way to do what you're doing. And manufacturing environment really pushes you to do that, to be competitive.
You know, when times change, you got to change with them, or you'll be left behind.
Every individual is cared for, and that small town mentality that we have, a lot of people turn up their nose at that, you know, but that takes it away from being a number to putting a human tag on things.
I want to say it's the people. They have a pride in what they do, they have a pride in the company, and it's really hard to find.
There's no place like home, there really isn't.